Many schools are conducting the examinations through the Google Classroom, and sometimes the teachers need to download all these answer sheet. Many teachers don't know how to download all these answer sheet. Many teachers are downloading this answer sheet one by one. If there are 3 classes and 30 children for each class, it is very difficult to download each question paper, each answer sheet separately. Okay, so today we can learn how to download all the answer sheet together from one class. Okay, it is very easy method. Google is giving that facility. Those who don't know, I will explain. Before going to the video, those who are watching first time, please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, you share with others. We can go to the video. This is one classroom. I will open one classroom. See, this is a one test paper answer sheet uploaded by children. I will open. So this is a 13 children. Okay, 13 answer sheet I have graded, and click on this. Click and open that students work page. Now you can see many children's paper answer sheet here. Then in that page you can see one folder. Open folder for assignment. This assignment has saved in this folder. Okay, click on that folder. It will take us to the folder in Google Drive where this answer sheet saved. Okay, these are the answer sheets. And what you have to do is nothing to do. Simply select first one and select the last file. Okay, so first file select, then by clicking the shift key, keeping the shift key press, then select the last file. Now all the files selected together. Now right click on this selected file, then click on the download button. So the Google will prepare to download all these files together. Then after preparing this one, it will be downloaded to your computer. All the paper together, whatever name here, in that name, that paper will be downloaded to the computer. Based on the file size and your internet connection, it will take time. Okay, after downloading this answer sheet together, it will ask where to save. Sometimes you have set the computer to automatically save into some folder. It will not ask. But in my computer I have set each time it will ask where to save. So it is asking. So I am downloading this to desktop. Okay, desktop. I am select drive. For this I am giving the file name. That's answer sheet grade 8 PT1. Now I am saving this one. Now you can see it is a zipped file. Okay, that means answer sheet grade 8 PT1. All these answer sheet will be there in this zipped file. So what you know, from here you know how to take this. You extract this file. Then here you have given a name of folder. Then click OK. So it is saved into the folder named answer sheet grade 8 PT1. You can see the folder. Click and open. Now that all the sheets, all the answer sheet came down, means downloaded to my computer. Okay, we can click and open one sheet to check whether it is correct. Yeah, this is answer sheet of the students. Okay, like this we can download any answer sheet from the Google Drive very easily together. Okay, I hope you understood how to do this one in Google Classroom. We will meet again with a new topic. Till then, goodbye.